Tutu Osei Tutu II, as well as other dignitaries to commission the project. The airport will commence full operations later this year after its commissioning to make way for the expansion of the runway and dismantling of the old facilities. The facility, now under the management of the Ghana Airport Company Limited, is currently undergoing equipment testing essential for both domestic and international flights, with a capacity to accommodate over 800,000 passengers annually, primarily from the northern and middle belt regions. The airport is set to meet the increasing demand for air travel. President Akkufo reiterates that the aviation sector is recovering after its operations were affected due to COVID-19.
Ghana has experienced considerable overall growth in air passenger traffic on both domestic and international routes. At the end of 2023, international passenger traffic comprised 2,914,661 persons, compared to the 2019 throughput of 2,328,750 persons, representing a 25% increase. Domestic passenger traffic on its part increased from 690,314 persons in 2019 to 775,662 persons at the end of 2023, representing a 12.4% increase. This data means that the aviation industry has recovered fully from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and is back on track for growth. My government will continue to pay the needed attention to enable the sector to compete fairly with our neighboring countries in the West African region and beyond.
Transport Minister Kweku Ofori-Esiama urges management to work on protecting airport lands.
Much as government work to create a vibrant aviation industry, it is also important that we take steps to urgently address the creeping challenges, including encroachment on airport lands. It is an issue that threatens future expansion if not immediately addressed. Therefore, I wish to take this opportunity to urge the Ghana Airport Company Limited and the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority to collaborate closely with the Lands Commission to properly secure and protect airport lands.
Businesses and other trader groups say they expect the operations of the airport to have a positive impact on their trade.
It's a lot to the hotel industry. It will open Kumasi and, for the matter, Asanteman to the world. And the destination period for most of the people that will be coming will be Kumasi. And with that, it's going to improve and increase the patronage in the hotel industry. So those that will be coming using it as their destination points, if they come, they need to be accommodated. After the accommodation, they need to be fed. If there's any recreational activity, it's also very important.
I think we are the very beneficiaries of this project in terms of our travels outside. So most of us sometimes, because of our travels outside, you have to spend 3 days in Accra just not to miss your flight. And if this project has come on board and we are able to fly right away from Kumasi here to wherever you want to go, I think it's a noble idea that has come to help, especially those of us in the business world, and it's very good. And we think they should do everything possible to ensure that it should just not be a dream, but a reality that is going to help us. And as the years go by, it will be expanded to make it a broadband as the Tutu International Airport is.
The government is also pledging its commitment to improve infrastructure in the aviation sector.
While government is hopeful about job creation,